Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we talked about the Start screen in Excel and its main options. In this video, we're going to complete our tour of the Start screen and discover the options that appear later. When you launch Excel for the first time, you only see three options at the top: Home, New, and Open, and three options at the bottom: Account, Feedback, and Options. If I click on Feedback, which we already discovered in the last video, and then go back to the File tab, you'll notice that more options appear: Share, Info, Save, Save As, Print, Export, Close. But look closely. They are all grayed out. You can't click on them. And this is completely normal. These options only become active after you create or open a workbook, because they are related to actions you can perform on an existing file. So now, let's create a new blank workbook. Once the workbook is open, I'll go back to the File tab, and now, as you can see, all those options are active. Let's quickly understand what each one does. Share allows you to send your workbook to others, for example, by email or through OneDrive. This is especially useful for collaboration and teamwork. Info gives you details about the current workbook, like the file size, the author, and access permissions. From here, you can also protect your file or check the version history. Save and Save As are two very important commands. Save updates the current file. Save As lets you create a new copy, change the file name, the location, or even the file format. Print allows you to preview your workbook before printing. You can choose the printer, the paper size, and the page orientation. With Export, you can save your Excel file as a PDF or another supported format. And finally, Close lets you exit the current workbook. Just remember, always save your work first. And that's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.